Hello, everyone. The 3D Experience Lab initiative is about people, and it's not about a standard organization by itself. The bet at that time, it was 3 years ago, was to empower people and to make all of us working together to be the biggest innovation world of the planet. So, as you know, most of Dassault Systèmes employees could contribute to the lab, up to 10% of their time. And to operate all this, I started day one on the cloud. The idea is to use communities, obviously, and to work with communities. So the topic is not about sharing, it's not about communicating, it's about working. So once you join this community here, like about 800 people, we'll ask you to contribute. Contribution could be very simple, very small, very short. A comment, sharing information, up to leading a project and pitching the project like you saw in the video, or commenting and challenging the project to make them bigger. So the cornerstone is the funnel, where we nurture and we work all the projects. But to identify disruptive projects that really contributes to the society, you remember what we want to do is really to give an impact. It's not everywhere you find, or every time you find startups disrupting things. So we really need to identify and radar the innovation of the world. And for that, we are acting into 2 tracks. One is human intelligence. Second is artificial intelligence. Let me explain. Some people of the community are taggers. So they are not street artists. They are tagging innovation news. Once they tag the news, it goes onto the platform, like this hydrogen bike, or like this new CES Bell helicopter, or a neural network to radar the streets in China. Doing that, I have a 360 view of the innovation. People can be located in different countries, from different industries. So they look at things with different eyes. That gives us a real 360 radaring. And through that, it generates automatically a newsletter every week that all the members of this community are receiving every Monday. But also, I can analyze what is said, semantic analysis, to identify the trends, to identify the low signals, emotional analysis. Are those innovations cool, or are they threatening people? The key here, as we are doing this since 3 years, is through that, I identify all the key sources. What are the media people are already reading that are valuable? They are here. And as you see live, I have a long tail. And through that, I now, in this other tab, crawl everything. I'm crawling millions of articles through those medias, and I'm searching after the keywords that we want to follow at Dassault Systèmes, like virtual reality, like neural networks, like blockchain, like smart cities, and so on. It gives me all those articles, all those metrics. You will tell me, so much information, what do you do? How can you manage this? It's meaningful. This is the power of Exalead connected to the platform. On here, I just search what I really want to deep dive in, like drones or robotics, or let's see what about Bitcoin. You like Bitcoin, right? And automatically, it refacets all the dashboards and gives me everything about Bitcoin, all the key articles, all the key trends, even people talking about Bitcoins. What are the companies talking about Bitcoin? What are the connected keywords? So this, it inspires us in a funnel in order to identify the key projects. So we need now to make some cleaning, right? And we have a weekly committee to understand are those projects qualified or not. If they are not qualified, we are then tagging them so that the lead, like you see here, is forwarded to the right team. But for those that are qualified, we are nurturing them, and they go into the second stage. Second stage means they meet our criteria. And then we work collaboratively on the topic, on the idea, to make it big. So that's the power of the community. The idea is to have a leader, like Nicolas here on the radiotherapy thing. He's taking the lead on an idea from the beginning. But then, as you can see now, This project has been, by the way, validated at the last committee. The post is having a lot of content, right? But this content has been led by Nicolas with the contribution of many others. People bringing a new partner in the gameplay. People, challenging the topic, giving a good over idea. And at the end, this one has been approved. By the way, this one, the objective is to enhance radiotherapy for cancer treatment with artificial intelligence. So we are really on big things. Then, once the projects are validated, by the way, they are validated using survey, so it's democratic process. The community is voting, like you see here. So Mao, for instance, pitched a project recently, Damae Medical, and the community was able to vote. And it has been accepted. Then we use project planning from Enovia to follow all our operations. So project planning is a super easy new Enovia app, fully online, that allows you to schedule everything. So we go from an agile process, making the community vivid, co-working together, to a more structured process so that we can plan our operations. All our events, all our projects, all the startups we accompany are managed this way so that we not only plan, but we execute, we send actions to people, and we connect to all those motors. So that's a real revolution. At the end, it leads to amazing stories, amazing projects. So we also use dashboards to tell the story. The objective is to disrupt the world, and we want this to be known. And you all can have access to that. As you see, I am on my tablet. I can play with my iPhone. So you all have this in your pocket. And with the tabs, you will see all the projects when they are matures. For instance, one we've worked on, digital orthopedy, a Belgium startup, personalized medicine. The idea is from your medical imaging of your foot, reconstruct your foot in 3D in order to plan the surgery. Another one we accompany since day one, Biomodex. The idea is to 3D print patient organs in order to simulate a very difficult surgery before it happens. You see here, this is the device the startup is doing, a station. This is here the organ, the aneurysm. Here, you inject the blood. On this device, the surgeon will simulate the operation. So we have a lot like this. Maybe the last one, Zero to Infinity, they were at CES with us. So we also promote those startups. We can connect them to our users. It's also a different way to interact with our clients because most of them are also working with big industrials. This one, the idea is with a balloon to launch microsatellites. And you see the devices there. So I would say two takeaways from this. One is think differently your business operations. The platform is here for that. It requires a new mindset. And all your clients need this inspiration. We receive a lot of executive people at the lab to show live this new way, these new usages, so that they get inspired because they change also their management process. Second, all those content are available. They are for you to tell great stories, to inspire people, and to explain the purpose of Dassault Systems. Thank you.